In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount code in Shopify. Here's our product, for example, and you can see there's this sale thing. But I don't want to just show this sale thing. I want to actually, in fact, show the discount code. First of all, let me view my website in a new page just for us to be on the same page. Here's my product, and let's say I want to use my product and I want to buy it. Let's click on buy now, for example. And okay, after expecting that there's a buy now button, let's go back to our Shopify, search discount, as you can see right here. And here we're going to have applying discounts or generating code for online discounts. I'm going to open both of them. So there's the thing called discount management, and there's this thing called discounts. We can head to our products right here and find the product that we're looking for. And under the product that we are looking for, we're looking to more actions, either view reviews or something like that, and then follow the specific tutorial. After choosing your products, choosing the right product you would like, go to gift cards, click on add a gift card product. This is not going to add discount, but this is just going to add a gift card that someone can buy for their friend, or you can set the discount code actually by heading to the issue gift card, choose the value, have a code, and then either search for customer that you would like to send the code to, or set an expiration date, for example, for that discount code, and then click on activate. As you can see right here, it's activated successfully. That's basically it on how to add the discount card. See you guys.